Hi YouTube, I'm Emmanuel and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you on the most incredible journey on what it takes to create a real life luxury event. And as always, we'd love to hear your feedback, so please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to press subscribe to this channel, as well as turn on your notifications so you can be the first to see all our new uploads. So I couldn't wait for the linen to go down because this is actually the inspiration behind the whole event. So we've copied this pattern for all of our digital printing and also the cake, which is coming soon. So come with me and I just want to show you how we've used it around the room. So we've inserted the same beautiful pattern into the French bars, which looks really, really cool. We have more of it over here. We've also incorporated into our seating chart. And then if you come over here with me, we've actually also covered the bar in it. So this has all been a bit of a flip because half of this event, everything that you see in this section here was meant to be in the beautiful back gardens, but because of wet weather, we've had to bring it inside. So we've worked really hard to make it look just as beautiful inside as it would have done outside. So what we really wanted to focus in for this design was the cake area. So rather than doing the cake area sort of at the back of the room, we've actually made it the whole center point of the floor plan. So the girls are doing a beautiful job on it at the moment. But as you can see, we've got the king tables that actually run on either side. So all the flowers are going on. And when you stand back from here, the cake area is definitely the feature and it just looks incredible. And we've just had a lot of fun also with the floor plan. So I had Michael from White Label Builds. He helped me design the floor plan for this event. And we really wanted to emphasize just on creating a really beautiful floor plan. So we've got the round tables on the side, and then we've got some curved tables here as well. And this just really accentuates the beautiful arch cake display, which is the feature of our room. So the flower selection for today is baby's breath en masse and roses. And the reason why we use this is because we actually use it for the baby's parents' wedding. I think it's about 6 years ago now. In that case though, we used white roses, white baby's breath, but because this is a baby girl's christening, we've used pink baby's breath, and then we've used beautiful soft pink roses as well as the quicksand, just to keep it nice and soft. And also the quicksand roses really play on the tablecloth really beautifully. So it's just a real beautiful play on it, on what we did for the parents' wedding. And also the baby's breath. So usually we can buy the baby's breath already pre-dyed from overseas, but unfortunately the shade was just a bit too bright. So my team and I sprayed 1,000 bunches of baby's breath in this beautiful soft pink, just to get the color exactly right. So what I'm doing here is just adding another layer of baby's breath to what we've already got. We brought the bases already pre-made, but we just wanted it to be a little bit more, have a little bit more movement and look a little bit softer and romantic. And hence why I'm going over it again and just adding the different layers. I think maybe if we just get a little bit more baby's breath to the top, a little bit more cloudier up the top, but otherwise it's looking really, really beautiful. And the layers are really starting to come together within the room. It's going to look stunning once it's all finished. So we wanted that really beautiful Italian villa vibe, hence Curzon Hall. And then we just wanted to look really beautiful and opulent and luxurious. And also choosing a castle. Mola Joelle is a little princess, so I just think it's so beautiful and really suits the theme. So now we're just going to go and do a few finishing touches. Now I just want to go and just maybe add a few more roses up here, just the real final touches, because it really is the centerpiece of the room. And we just want to make sure it's absolutely perfect. It's going to look beautiful. It needs nothing else. It doesn't need any flowers on it or anything. It's perfect. It's so perfect. It's so perfect. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Like, it's so perfect. Everything's complete, guys. Come and have a look. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Joe from Curzon Hall and all of the Navara team and the Curzon Hall team for just making this such an easy, stress-free experience. These guys have gone above and beyond to help us create this perfect day for Milo Joel. Thanks, Joe.
Done. And from me to you, I got to say, no one could have done it like you've done it, okay? To you and your team, thank you for making it so easy and a pleasure.
Thanks, Joe.
Done.